In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your videos in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to access Google Drive. Open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like. In the address bar, type in drive.google.com and hit Enter. This will take you directly to Google Drive. If you weren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account. It's pretty straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll be in. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to use the search bar. Look at the top of the interface where you'll see the search bar. Click on that and you'll be ready for the next step. Now, type the word video into the search bar. After you type it in, press Enter. And just like magic, Google Drive will show you a list of all files that match your search query. It's important to remember that this includes not just the file names, but also the content and metadata of the files. But hang on, sometimes the results can be a bit overwhelming, and this brings us to our next step, fine-tuning with filters. Over on the right end of the search bar, you'll see a little filter icon, which looks like a small triangle or sliders icon. Click on that icon to pull up some options. Now you'll spot a drop-down menu labeled Type. Click on it and select Videos. This little adjustment ensures that Google Drive will only display video file formats, which means you'll be excluding documents or images that might have the word video in their name. Now, to get even more specific, you can also apply additional filters. For instance, you could filter the files by last modified date or even by owner if you're sharing files with others. This really helps narrow down your search to find exactly what you're looking for. After you've applied your filters, it's time to browse through the results list. Take your time scrolling until you find the specific video you need. The great thing about Google Drive is that you can easily preview the files. Just click on a file and it will open in a preview window. This allows you to confirm that it's indeed the correct video without having to actually download or open it fully. It can save you a lot of time, especially when you have numerous files. So, as a quick recap, first, access Google Drive and log in. Then use the search bar to type in video. After that, utilize the filters for more specific results. And lastly, browse through the list and preview your videos. And there you have it. A simple guide to finding your videos in Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.